What are the disadvantages of an irrevocable trust? The main ones are going to be you cannot be the trustee, you cannot be the beneficiary. It's a permanent structure. You're going to lose your homestead exemption and you're going to lose your step up in basis. As trustee, you cannot be one, meaning someone else is going to be managing and distributing the assets inside of your trust per the guidelines, frameworks, and guardrails that you put inside of your trust document. In terms of being a beneficiary, you can't be one. So if you have a house inside of an irrevocable trust and your trustee sells that house, you cannot take distributions from the proceeds of that sale to you as an individual. They have to go back into the trust bank account and then be reinvested or distributed out to your beneficiaries. In terms of it being a permanent structure, you cannot change, amend, or cancel an irrevocable trust. Once you set it up, it's a permanent thing, and if you mess it up, it's just messed up. In terms of your homestead exemption, typically the rules for homestead exemption is that that's inside of a revocable trust that you can change or amend or cancel, and you are the trustee and the beneficiary. With an irrevocable trust, you cannot be any of these things. And so then with the step up in basis, when you put your assets inside of an irrevocable trust, your beneficiaries will lose the step up in basis that you have. So as an example, for that house that you're going to sell inside the irrevocable trust, if you purchase it at $100,000, you put it inside the trust and you pass it down to your kids at $500,000 and they sell it immediately, they're going to pay capital gains tax on $400,000, which is $500,000 that they inherit and sell it at, minus the $100,000 that you purchased it at. So they lose that step up in basis that they would normally have. So you have to make sure that you really want an irrevocable trust for the asset protection from creditors and lawsuits. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.